This has been switched on. If you see, we have two lights. One is orange and one is green. One orange one seems to be the charging light, and the green one is so. Here we go. Being started, initialized. Just a moment. I quickly liked it. It has got one HDMI port. It's Intel inside and quite energy saving. So while it loads, we'll look into other details. So this has got one USB on left hand side, HDMI port, memory card reader, and C type charger. Another USB you will find it this side with the headphone port. Then we have a switch on button on the top right corner of the plate. It's quite lightweight. I liked it. It's asking me to choose a language, so I'll select English by default. So it says welcome.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
No.
Which region do you want to use?
Let me select India is there. Go to I. So I selected India as the region.
Keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
I select English, India.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
I will skip for the moment.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
If I select, I don't have an internet as of now.
Just so you know, connecting to a network now could save you some time later. If you want to get that out of the way, choose yes.
I'll continue with the limited setup right now.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account.
Let it be.
And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Now you can set up 3 security questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer.
Okay. I'll pause the video and we'll set the 3 questions.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose Yes to sync your activities. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
So I will decline for this moment right now.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them.
You can simply click
Almost
next,
done now.
next, and
We just need
it
to
will
get
be
a few
done.
more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
It says hi. I say hi.